Top 5 weirdest animal sound. You won't believe number 3. But first, hit that like and subscribe if you're ready to get weird. Number 5, lyrebird. This bird doesn't sing, it copies. Number 4, koala. Cute, yes, but this noise sounds like a bear fighting a lawnmower. Number 3, goat. Scream like terrified humans. Number 2, walrus. This guy sounds like a broken tuba with an attitude.
What else you got?
And number 1, kakapo parrot. This flightless parrot woos with subwoofer bass.